So DBS done sent me over another braided unit, but this time we got some cornrows on deck. This unit is absolutely gorgeous, okay? It might be better than the last unit, but y'all gonna see. Stick around and watch. So again, the unit is from DBS Hair. Now the style today is called CELIA, and I have it in 42 inches in the color number 1. Now this unit is 100% customizable, so you can get the unit exactly how you want. You do not have to get it exactly how I have it, and I'm talking about like the length, the color, if you want it on the frontal and not full lace, whatever, okay? You can even customize your baby hairs if you choose to. Now we do get an elastic band, adjustable straps, and 2 combs on the inside. Now when I placed the unit on my head, I immediately thought like they did a bang up job. I am not shocked because the last video I did with the knotless braids, they did an amazing job as well. The braids are so neat. We do get ear to ear lace, as you can see, it's covering my ears. Now when it comes to getting these wigs to fit to your head exactly how you want it to fit, the first thing you need to do is cut around that ear. Do not cut the lace off any other areas before you cut around your ears. That is very crucial to making sure it fits you how it needs to fit you. I did end up cutting out the elastic band because it was sitting on my ear, and I proceeded to cut around my ear. Okay, once you get the areas around your ear nicely, you can go ahead and proceed and cut the rest of the units. Now I'm gonna let you know like this. Sometimes the units are not going to fit your head exactly how you want it to, because these are not braided on your head or your head shape. It's braided on a wig and a mannequin. So you have to make it fit for you. Now I am saying that because after I finish cutting around my ear, you will see the way I adjusted the unit to sit on my head is going to be a little bit off centered, but it made sense because it looked good and it felt good. And I did not want to cut too much into this side where the cornrows were. I prefer to just stay over there on the box braid side and cut more off over there and just shift the wig over if I need to. It makes sense, y'all. Just follow along. So anyways, after I finish getting this right and adjusting this how it needs to be, your girl's gonna be on the roll, and you can go ahead and just cut the unit how you usually do, whether you're gonna be using a brow razor or you're gonna be using some scissors. Today I will be using some scissors, and I'm going to be cutting in a zigzag type of pattern. Now you probably already know from how it was sitting when I first placed it on my head that the unit is definitely big head friendly, at least in the size that I have it. All of the specs and details on the wig that you see me using today will be listed in the description box along with the promo code carry, so you can save you a little coin. So I did double tint the lace. What I did was I went in with some concealer and then I put it on the lace where I knew the lace would show, and then I went in with some powder to set it, and then I also set it with some setting spray and with some hairspray, y'all. I heard that's what drag queen makeup is all about, to get that makeup to not move, using hairspray. Y'all try that? I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and melt this unit like I usually do. I'm using my bed head gear and I'm gonna get it real good. I like this spray. I like the spray, y'all. It's kind of strong. It's doing something for me, and the lace looks really good. I didn't have to like go real hard. I didn't have to add any gel or anything. It melted real nice with the spray, so we cool in that department. I'm liking how it's coming out. It's coming out looking real natural and real cute. Okay, now I'm gonna give you a little tip. Okay, take it from me when it comes to getting those parting areas and you know, the little skin, the little scalp that look like scalp. I'm going to suggest you do that on a mannequin head before you melt it down like you see me doing, because there were some spots that I could not get with putting makeup under the unit. You need to top it off and put the makeup on top of the unit to get certain areas, because it's a full lace unit. Some spots cannot be reached from the bottom because of the way it's sewn and it's double lace areas. You see, I'm trying to fix it now, but some areas I can't see, like the crown of my head. So I will be walking around with a white patch. So it's not the unit's fault, it's my fault. I should have did that and tinted that before I melted the unit down. Anyways, let's proceed, okay? So now that I got my baby hairs all tweezed and laid and you know, ready, I'm gonna go in with my gel and I'm gonna swoop some. Now at first I wasn't gonna do any baby hairs, but this unit is cute. And I was like, I feel like being cute, and it's been a while since I did some heavy baby hairs, and I just love how baby hairs look on braided units. So your girl did it, and I'm happy with it. Now I am so happy with this unit. I'm gonna let you know off jump. This unit is very easy to install. The most challenging part is just going to be cutting around your ears and getting the fit to fit for you. Aside from that, the unit is beautiful. Don't have any issues with it. It does have a little bit of weight on it. Now, the knotless braids that I did before from them, those were really heavy because we had braids throughout the whole unit that were box braids. But this time, it's a manageable weight, and it's like not as heavy. And of course, if you get a lighter length and it's not as long, it's going to be lighter too. But all in all, the unit is the bomb. It looks like scalp in between those braids, y'all. Just make sure you get your makeup on it the way it needs to be before installing the unit. We have length. It's swaying, it's moving, it's very, very neat. Whew, DBS Hair done did it again. Your girl is happy. Y'all already know all of the information to the unit will be listed in the description box. Y'all let me know. Y'all feeling Miss Celia, or do you like the knotless braids that we did last time? Like I said, if you did not see that video, go definitely check it out. But your girl is out of here. Your girl is happy. The unit is everything and some. I see y'all.